Scott strives to make its students world ready. I wonder, what does that mean? What is world ready? Recently, I went to a competition and they asked me what the Billy Joel song Start the Fire was based on. And that started me thinking, what if I combine the two and Billy Joel helped me answer the question on what world ready is? But firstly, let's see what Google has to say about what world ready is. According to Google, world ready is to prepare for the real world in a place that looks just like it, and leave ready to contribute and succeed across cultures, countries and industries. Wow, that sounds awesome. So let's get some help from the great Billy Joel in working out how we are getting world ready. Harry, Truman, Doris Day, Red, China, Johnny, Ray. Oh no, sorry, that's all Scots. Mr. Munn, Miss Turner, Mr. Grigg, Peggy May, Cultural Centre, Tennis Court, Sports Centre, Swimming Pool, Kitchen Garden, Library, Sally's in the Front Room, Wilson Oval, Chapel Hall, Number 1, Country School. Yes, definitely Scots is a mini world here. What else do we do to prepare for the real world? Japanese, chess club, coding club, pipe band, big school, new friends, friends that have gone away, growing pains, Clash of Clans, hormones in a strange land, Mr. Grigg, driving bus, school camps, night stays. What more do I have to say? But wait, so much more to do. We didn't start the fire, but now we are learning the wheels are definitely turning. Facebook, Snapchat, Google Docs, iPad, iCast, BIPSA, Terra in the NAP plan. Action group, school, camp, snow, sports, Olympiad. What more do I have to say? PED, PE, stewardship, PYP, training us in leadership, resilience, compassion, music and school productions. What else do I get to play? We didn't start the fire, but now we are learning the wheels are definitely turning. Pick it up, put it down, try not to make a sound. You towards it in the HSC, you don't want to get in trouble with Mr. G. Malcolm Turnbull, MBN, Donald Trump is back again, moonshot, khaki socks, front gate, punk roll, shoelaces, shirt and tie, weather uniform with pride, wanting to be brainier, fidget spinner mania, Robinson, Sailors, Simpson beats Wilson, sports house colour wars, I can't take it anymore. Actually, I can take it. So many opportunities, so lucky. It is up to us to all grab these chances while we have them and celebrate our chance to be world ready. Scots has started the fire, and now we are learning and the wheels are definitely turning, and they will take us on and on and on.